Hello everyone! I am Cedric Hugo Espugong
I am Rohan Ray Ferrer.
I am Kate Mary Galieto.
and we are from St. Louis School Incorporated High School Department, Baguio City, Philippines.
Our problem is improper waste segregation. Improper waste segregation needs a dire solution. Many recyclable materials are being thrown away together, making recycle and segregating difficult. This problem reduces the quality of materials and also can increase environment pollution, destroy natural resources, and raises of the cost.
A simple solution, we made the Arduino-based sorter, counter, and recorder. This can reduce manual work of people and makes the materials more clean to recycle and avoid contaminating the objects. Improves the accuracy of waste segregation, protects workers from handling hazardous or sharp materials, and minimizing damage to recycling equipments caused by mixed waste. It also encourages proper recycling habits and supports environmental conservation by ensuring the recyclable materials are processed correctly, promotes proper waste segregation, increased recycling efficiency.
Our prototype has 6 components. The first one is the LCD, to which it shows the data collected from the sensors, and the Wi-Fi module to send the data and store it in a Google Sheet. With the press of a button, it senses the Wi-Fi module to send data. And this is where the sensors are placed. Our first classification is the plastic. We first let it hover over here, then let it pass. The second classification is metal. When metal is detected, it will just go through. This servo sorts unknown materials into this part. This second servo sorts plastics here, and metals just go straight through the conveyor belt. Originally, we planned to integrate AI and have a lot of sensors for our prototype. But with the limited time and limited resources, we had to improvise and utilize what we already have and what our school can provide.